Koreans eat seaweed soup on birthdays. We called it miyeokguk. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy and delicious. Time is gold. Let's go. 20 grams of dried seaweed. Break it down in small pieces. Pour cold water and soak it for 30 minutes. Prepare some beef meat. I use 500 grams of beef brisket. Usually when making seaweed soup, seaweed and meat are stir-fried in sesame oil. But people have recently stopped doing this after it was discovered that heating sesame oil is carcinogenic. 3 liters of water and bring it to boil. Add your beef meats. Add soaked seaweed. Skimming some blood. 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic in. We are going to boil it for at least 1 hour. Longer you cook, tastes better. After 1 hour, refill water as before boiling. Season your soup with equal ratio of MSG and soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of beef MSG. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Bring it to boil again. Your easy and delicious miyeokguk is ready. Enjoy your soup with rice and kimchi. Bye now.